you just installed your fresh Linux distro and you find out that you can't open the HEIC format. These are pictures taken from my iPhone and it can't open in Fedora. Some distro you will need to install the codecs manually. So this is what you have to do. You have to go to your terminal and input this command. I'm going to put this command in the description so that you can copy and paste it here. When you do that, it's going to install all the necessary codecs you need to open this picture format. After that, you don't even need to reboot your system. Just open it and it's going to work perfectly fine. I hope this helps. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.